How to install garage door. Introduction. Horizontal track, vertical track, bracket for horizontal track, bracket for vertical track, beam axle, axle seat, cable drum. Step 1. Panel track installation. Before installation, check and confirm the location for installation with laser and mark the line. Install the vertical tracks. Install the brackets and horizontal tracks. Step 2. Motor installation. Install axle seats in right or left and middle. Leave the other side in empty in case the beam axle can be installed easily. Install beam axle from the empty side. The right of beam axle should be placed in the hole of middle axle seat, and the left of beam axle should be placed on the horizontal track. Hold the right spring and cable drum between the middle and the right axle seats. Push the beam axle to insert into right spring, cable drum and axle seat. Insert the left spring, cable drum and axle seat into beam axle one by one from left side. Fix the axle seat with bracket and screws. Install the bracket for the motor. Install the motor. Insert the small square axle into the hole between motor and beam axle. Then insert the ring fastener into the beam axle and fasten the screw. Step 3. Weather strips installation. Cut the weather strips according to the opening dimension. Take out the cover strips. Fix the weather strips with screws. Cover the cover strips. Step 4. Panel installation. The first panel, install the wheel brackets. Pick it up and position it in the center of the doorway. Install the wheels. The second panel, install the wheel brackets. Lift it up and place it on top of the first panel. Both of them should be joined properly. Install the wheels. The step of the third and the fourth panels are similar to the second panel. Install hinges in each of the panel's upper corners. Screw them in place. Adjust the track in case the wheels would not be too tight. Then screw the track in place. Thread the lifting cables onto the cable drums and first panel. Turn the drum to make the cable keep tightly, then fasten up the cable drums. Paint a line on the spring. Look for 2 holes at one end of the spring. Insert 2 drills inside the holes and turn on the drill to add tension. Stop turning if the painting line becomes 8 circles. The height from the spring to the ground is about 8 foot. Step 5. Controller installation. Connect the motor wires. Connect the control wires. Connect the power supply wires, blue for negative, red for positive. Connect the control panel. Install the control panel cover. Open the motor cover, adjust the red screws to set the closing process. Then test run to try if the door closes properly. Adjust the yellow screws to set the opening process. Test run to try if the door opens properly. Installation completed.